Welcome to my Forex trading YouTube channel. My name is Cody, and we're going to be looking at GJ and gold today. We're going to be looking at yesterday's session and a couple trades taken yesterday and the day before that, and just update this week really. What day is it? Today's Wednesday. Oh, it's only been 2 days, so I'm completely lost on time at the moment. Apologies if you can hear that very loud bird outside my window. But yeah, let's get into it. So looking, first of all, I just want to say if you guys are interested in joining my Telegram channels, I have a free one and also a paid one where I post my signals and setups Monday to Friday, 3 p.m. AEST on gold and GJ. We currently have a record of 27 wins, 27 wins, 6 losses, and 9 break-even trades with a win percent of 81.82%. These are the channels right here, as we can see. This is gold, this is GJ. We also have our free Telegram right here. If you guys are interested, I will leave the links down below in the description. Definitely come check out the free Telegram. You can look back on all the results in here and videos that I post and results, things like that. I do breakdowns and stuff all in there, so come check it out. The links will be down below. So yesterday we had, first of all, I'll go over gold. So sorry, I've got a bit of a dry throat. I should have got some water before I did this video. So yesterday, the trade we took on gold was above this key level in the market right here. Here we can see price created a resistance, and then price came up, tried to close above, couldn't sustain that momentum above this level, ripped back down below, and then came back up to retest it. But with gold, we still have this momentum to the upside, right? And of course, we have the base in the market right here, that if price broke this level, we would potentially then be in that downtrend kind of momentum. But as it stands, we have created a low in the market. We've created highs, higher highs, and now potentially we're coming up to create these higher lows to continue bullish. And like I said, until this level right here is broken, then price is in that uptrend. If we want to pull out the Fibonacci real quick, I don't use Fibonacci to trade, but I like to use it to measure movements in the market. We can see that price has come down to the 78% zone. So this is 50. That's my level. So this is 50, this is 68, and this is 78 right here. As you can see, 786. I might just change that to a different color actually. Maybe something like that, and take the background off. So it's come down to the 78 zone right here, and you can see the clean rejection of this. So this retracement now could potentially be complete, right? We could have seen that move to the upside, nice pullback to create a new higher low in the market right here. And now we could potentially be seeing that upside again back up into these highs. We're not sure yet. Anything could happen from here. There is this level in the market, of course, that price needs to break in order to continue there. So that was my thinking yesterday when price came down into here. You can see the clear rejection on the 4 hour, like I just showed you. With this, you know, in my, you can see right here, the 78 zone, in my head, this was a nice rejection, the retracement potentially complete. And then during this pre-London volume, we can see that nice push back up to the upside. So that was my thinking yesterday, as well as coming into this overall level, like structure level right here, where price consolidated before, found, you know, support, and then we found all this volume and liquidity down in here, which drove price all the way up into the highs. So that, among the market structure trend to the upside, along with the Fibonacci, along with this key level consolidation kind of liquidity volume area in the market that we retested, we saw the rejection right here, and we saw the volume coming up right here. So I was looking for buys after this 4-hour candle, and I think we entered some buys in here like that, and price ended up rejecting that resistance when I thought it would potentially break, and came down and hit stop losses down here. Right, this was our base for the day. Came down and retested in this area. So that was the trade yesterday on gold. That was a losing trade. Sorry. So that was the trade on gold. As you can see, price is now, we had the direction correct. We just jumped in a little bit too early. Price came down for another touch into this base area and then continued bullish. So now we have this little level in the market where we could potentially look for buys above here today, going into pre-London session here on gold. So that was gold. Here we can see this was the trade called out. Entry, right? We have entries, stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2. And then that's when our trading window at that point was over, and I wasn't very comfortable with that trade. So I said move, take profit to break even. So we was in drawdown. If price comes up to our entry point, we would get out a break even, right? But it never did. So that is that. Losing trades happen. This is trading. You can't win every single trade you take. So then before that we had GJ, right? And as we can see as well, GJ overall, if we go out to the 4-hour time frame, sorry, this is just the sessions indicator right here, all these colors that you can see. This just shows Asian session, London session, New York session, right? So yesterday, if we take a look at the overall structure on GJ, is very bullish, right? Just because we've seen this pullback here, we've kind of broke structure lows over here. Doesn't mean we're necessarily in a downtrend at this point. Price is now consolidating, and there's no real direction until we potentially take out this support or we start trading back above this resistance, so we can go and start to retest these highs again up in this level. So that was, that's my overall kind of bias on GJ until we break out one of these areas long term. But short term, what I saw yesterday for buys was in here we can see a nice kind of, I know it's a bit messy, but there is like this kind of level structure in here where we found support, resistance, and then we broke nice volume move to the upside, right? And this is the trade we had on Friday, beautiful winning trade, where we caught this whole move up here, and I'll show you that in the Telegram. But then it came down to retest on this level, and we bounced, and then we started to find some bullish momentum here during pre-London on the 4-hour chart. As we can see, we created some lows down here, right? So we created some lows in the market, some low highs, and then we failed to break this level. We made higher lows, and then we broke out of this structure to the left, creating higher highs, right? If I just draw that out, we can see that we broke that structure to the left, creating those higher highs and higher lows, right? So that 4-hour market structure kind of swing to the upside. We had this level that price broke and retested with rejection. We have some trend lines. We have a nice retracement here, rejecting the 618 Fibonacci zone. And if we go to the 1 hour, obviously we can see that we had this nice trend to the upside, rejecting this trend line. So that was my thinking there on GJ, and we took buys above this level right here. We took buys coming in here, breaking above kind of this level to the left here. We can see rejection here, kind of resistance. We started breaking above that level, so I had my entry above there, and we went for 30 pips. Targeting like kind of this overall area in the market above, and also this area to the left. So That was the winning trade, beautiful winning trade there on GJ yesterday. As you can see here in the Telegram channel, right here, there's the resistance level that I just showed you. We had take profit 1, take profit 2, a little bit further up, but we hit break even. We hit take profit 1, took profits, moved our stops to break even, and then the break even got hit there. So yeah, you can see here as well, had some minor support. The price rejected off and started moving to the upside with some minor resistance, targeting the overall major support and resistance levels. So that was GJ and gold yesterday. Some really nice price action on both pairs. Like I said, these trades don't always work out. You do have losing trades in Forex or in any trading for that matter. But as you can see here, we are currently, hasn't been updated. So we are currently, I've updated it here. So we are 27 wins, 6 losses, and 9 break even since June with an 81.82% win rate since June 1st. So that is coming up to 2 months. So we've had 27 winning trades, 6 losses, and 9 break even trades in 2 months here on gold. And GJ called out in the private Telegram groups. So yeah, again, sorry for the constant coughing. I don't know what is going on. I just need some water, I think. So yeah, that was yesterday. And this was the trade. I'm not sure if I made a YouTube video on this one actually. This trade on GJ. Let me just take a quick look. Also, shout out to everyone who's been subscribing to the YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys and watching the videos. I don't think I did actually. 20, what's this? 26, or maybe I did. Oh yeah, there's the trade that I called there on GJ. So this was 4 days ago. So that would have been Friday, yeah. So you can see a beautiful move there on GJ. This was this move right here that we caught. So yeah, overall happy with how things are going. Gold has been a bit choppy this month and this week. So we'll continue to trade the way we trade at the same time that we trade every single day on the same pairs, on the same setup. We will remain consistent with our analysis and our trades, and yeah, we will just we'll see how the market starts to plan out here over the next few days, and we'll see how the weekly candle closes and how these daily candles are closing, and we'll kind of gauge where we're at there. If we take a look at the daily, you can clearly see this resistance to the left, support that is being support and now resistance that is being formed. Very nice rejection wick there on the daily and closing bearish and driving down. So this could be just a pullback, right? Bullish pullback, and then a continuation to the downside here, potentially to retest in these kind of areas. It could even come and retest in here. As it's kind of a massive area. I don't really want to mark the whole thing because it just looks crazy on the lower time frames. You just have this massive support resistance area that's very hard to be precise in. But this overall general area, price could be coming back down in here before we potentially bounce off or close back below. Because what is this pattern? We have left shoulder, head, and potential right shoulder being formed down here to then push up, right? This is a head and shoulders pattern, a very common pattern. Again, I don't trade this pattern. I just like to use these different technical analysis strategies to create an overall bias and confluence in my trading, and to kind of give me an idea of the overall picture of the market. And so this would be the neckline here, right, of the the head and shoulders pattern. So this is why this is proving to be such a key level in the market. So we could very well see gold come and tap down into here before we bounce off. All we have to do is just be patient and wait and see what happens, and we should get some answers pretty soon. So that is my analysis and my breakdown of gold and GJ so far this week and yesterday. I will be sending out trades tonight, 3 p.m. AST. If you guys are interested, join the Signals channel. The links will be down below, or you can join the free Telegram as well. Check it out. Thank you guys very much. If you enjoy my content, please help the channel out. Subscribe, like, and comment down below what kind of content you would like to see me create. If there's any pairs you would like to see me break down and analyze, let me know. I'm happy to do that. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.